shoes on the ride, baby. I'm a skirt down at it.
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm doing a video I've never done on my channel before. This is my first ever cook with me. I decided this would be something fun to do on my channel. I want to start doing more lifestyle content and like what I eat in a week and stuff. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know how you like this video and if you want more, and leave me some comments with your feedback down below. I would really appreciate it. It would mean a lot to me. Also hit that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications to be notified every single time I post, which is now every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. Such a fun time around here. You do not want to miss out. But yeah, I'm so excited. So how did this come about? I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw this slow cooker paella recipe. So that's the recipe that I'm going to be making today. I figure this will last me through the week to keep heating up. The other day I went to the grocery store and I got all of the ingredients that I need. So we're going to go through that and we're just going to start cooking. So let's get started. First things first, got this slow cooker. This is not sponsored, wish it was. And let me actually pull up the recipe and show you guys, and then I'm gonna start pulling out the ingredients and going through the steps. Sorry if my kitchen setup isn't the best in the world, but this recipe honestly looks really easy. Even though I haven't been cooking often, I do know just the basics of how to cook. So that's what this series, I guess, is for, to cook with me. And also stay tuned on my weekly vlogs, because whenever I do cook during the week, I'm going to be showing you guys on there. But anyway, the only problem I have, it says prep time of 20 minutes and then a total of 2 hours to cook, which is fine. But I don't know if I should make this entire recipe just because this is a lot. So anyway, regardless, let me get out the ingredients. First things first, we got our meats. I got some skinless chicken breast, got some shrimp, which this actually we save it for the very last. I got some chorizo, yes. We got cayenne pepper, paprika. We also need salt and pepper, of course. Got some extra virgin olive oil, diced tomato, chicken broth, onion. I have to find my garlic right now. Then the recipe calls for short grain rice, but while I was shopping I found this paella rice. So how was that? Perfect. We got some white wine. Now that she's legal, she was able to buy this or whatever. So annoying with this. Oh, we also got some frozen peas that I'm actually gonna put in the fridge just so that they get a little bit softer. These are saved till the end as well. And then later you guys are gonna see I'm gonna put cilantro, scallions, and then a little bit of lemon for serving. That's the recipe. Let me figure out my setup, figure my life out a little, figure out if I'm gonna do this entire recipe, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I think I might regret this, but I think I'm gonna do the full recipe for this time. Hopefully it's not like an insane amount. I do want to take my leftovers to school and eat this for a few days, so it's not like it's just for today, and I could bring some leftovers to friends and stuff, so let's cross my fingers. Also keep in mind this is not a professional cooking show, so I don't have a cameraman, y'all. It's just me, myself, and I. Okay, I feel like I should angle this so you guys can see me talking and what I'm doing, since this is a cook with me, not like a cook tutorial. If you do want the recipe down below so you can actually see what's happening, I'll link the video down below. But yeah, let me wash my hands. I'm gonna put some oil on my pan, and I'm not gonna turn it on just yet, but like halfway through cutting the meat right now, I'm gonna turn this on so it can heat up. Okay, so first I'm gonna cut up some chicken and then my chorizo. I'm kind of scared because this chorizo was soft. I couldn't find any of like the sliced chorizo at the store I went to, and it was already late, so I'm gonna try my best to cut these into slices and fry them in slices. I'm gonna look at the video to see how they cut the chicken. So they did like kind of thick cubes of chicken, so I'm gonna do that. They also put to do 1.5 pounds of chicken. I honestly don't know how much chicken I have. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball the chicken, honestly. I'm cutting like however much I can see dispersed evenly throughout the meal. Honestly, I'm just gonna cut up the whole thing, to be honest. Just put it on the stove because I know the chicken's gonna take a little bit longer to cook than the chorizo, so I'm letting that heat up for a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna wash my scissor and try and cut these one by one and like take the plastic off. I feel like this is my best bet at not squishing it, so oh no. No! Okay, I'm gonna have to just do big chunks, to be honest. Better luck next time. I'm sad. But it'll still be good. It'll still have the same flavor. It's just gonna be a little bit of a different texture. And it might just separate. Smells so bomb though. So let's transfer this. Okay guys, sorry, I didn't really get the best shot. Then it said to season with a lot of salt and pepper. It said to cook for 10 minutes. I'm just gonna put some more chorizo on here. Okay, this chorizo is a fail right now because it's not frying in slices like I thought and I imagined it would. Again, we're getting that flavor. Hello, stop calling my phone. So honestly, I'm just gonna kind of cook the chicken in the chorizo because we're doing a little bit of a different version. Okay, so I think that's enough and I'm actually gonna go ahead and pour this into the slow cooker. I really hope that this doesn't mess it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes in there. I get 1 cup of the rice. 2 teaspoons of paprika, there's a pinch of cayenne pepper, then 2 cups of chicken broth, which I'm actually gonna do a tiny little less because there was a lot of sauce from the chorizo. I don't want it to be like a soup. And then 1/3 cup of the white wine. This smells good. Let's do some pepper, some salt. And then I'm gonna chop the onion and garlic and throw it in there, and then we're almost done and ready to cook. And so when I was reading the comments for the recipe, a lot of people were saying that it took 4 hours on low, and the recipe says to put 2 hours on low. So people were saying to put it 2 hours on high, and many people were saying this. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and then I'm just gonna keep an eye on it and check it every so often just to make sure. Guys, I'm not good at chopping vegetables. This is something I actually don't do often. So please don't judge me. I need to learn. And then we need 4 cloves of garlic. And I'm not even gonna cap to you guys, I'm messy. I don't know how to do things neat, to be honest, especially when I'm cooking. So while this is cooking up for 2 hours, I'm gonna be cleaning, doing the dishes. Okay, so I'm mixing it up and I'm actually kind of nervous, not gonna lie. Mine looks a little soupy compared to the other one. I don't wanna drain any of this. I'm hoping it's just gonna work out. If anything, if it's a little liquidy or soft, it is what it is. I guess it's gonna be a soup, but all the ingredients are in there. It's time to plug this in. We're gonna do the shrimp and the peas last, but I'm gonna put this on for high for 2 hours. So it says to stir occasionally. So I'm gonna put my timer on for 2 hours, and then every 30 minutes or so, I'm gonna come check and stir it. But yeah, right now I'm going to clean now and do some of the dishes so that later I don't have to do so many. I'm actually gonna have a little snack right now because 2 hours is a while. And let's hope it's 2 hours. I don't know, fingers crossed. This is my first time using the slow cooker too. I just have a feeling there's too much liquid, and it's mostly because of the chorizo. So hoping for the best, but I will keep you guys updated along the way. Okay, so it's looking very good. I'm actually so happy because it's not as liquidy as I was scared it would be. But now, so I'm laying in the shrimp for the last 10 minutes. I just peeled some shrimps, and then we're also gonna put the peas in. So I like a lot of shrimp, so I'm putting a lot of pieces. I want to make sure that every day that I reheat this up, there's some shrimp still left. The rice tastes pretty good. I was actually perfect timing 2 hours on high because the rice is pretty much almost done, so I know by the time the shrimp is done, it'll be good. And now I'm gonna pour, it said 1.5 cups of peas, but I'm just gonna pour like that much in because I'm not like huge on peas, but I do want them in there, so I'm gonna do like that much. And then hold on, let me see the video because I don't know if they stirred it or they just left it on top. Yeah, they just left it on top because I don't want to stir in the shrimp. I want to make sure, like, I can make sure it's cooking. So put the lid back on, and we're gonna leave this for 10 minutes. Look back, and hopefully this is all cooked. Yes, so it actually didn't take 10 minutes because I had to stir everything because the shrimp was not cooking on top. And unplug it. Yum! I'm so proud, and I'm actually so happy that it didn't turn out too liquidy. Of course, it has a lot of liquid aspect to it, but I'm not mad at that because I like when my rice is like this. Oh my god, it looks so good. So time to try it. I'm so proud right now, so I'm gonna serve myself just a little bowl right now to taste it on camera for you guys, and then I'm gonna enjoy this off camera. Y'all, I'm so proud right now. It's so hot, but oh my god, that chicken is fire. I'm definitely not mad about eating this all week. I will definitely be making this again. I'm gonna take some of this to school tomorrow, and then I'm gonna eat some of it on Wednesday too before class. Thursday I'm gonna eat it. Friday I'm probably gonna eat it and probably bring some over to my friend's house until I finish it. But wow, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this big pot to the stove so that it can cool down, and I'm honestly probably gonna leave this entire thing in the fridge, or I'm just gonna package it. Sorry the lighting isn't the best, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this cook with me video. Definitely be sure to let me know if you guys want more of these. I'm really proud of how this turned out, and I will definitely be cooking more often. This week's meal is one that I can eat for multiple days, and I like finding slow cooker recipes that I can do that with, but I do get tired of the same thing every day. So slowly, gradually, as I get used to cooking every day, I'll hopefully cook like a different meal every day, or every other day at least. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.